Now, John's not going to like that I've disrupted his speech. Okay, but no, thank you very much for coming, and I know we'll do it again next year, but it's always a pleasure. Thank you, thank you. John?
What a room that's full of beautiful souls. On page 93 in the big book, there's a section called The Promises. Look around. It's living evidence right here. The room's full of it. Thank you all for celebrating recovery with us tonight. Commissioners, legislators, judge, members, and especially you guys that were honored tonight. It's such a pleasure to have you here and to be here. Since we're celebrating 40 years as an organization tonight, there's a story. A man and a woman have been married for 40 years. One evening they were at dinner, and the wife turns to her husband and she says, "You know, 40 years ago on our wedding day, you told me that you loved me, and you haven't said those words since." They sat for a really long, uncomfortable moment of silence. And finally, the man said, "If I change my mind, I'll let you know." As we move into our 41st year as an organization, we are true to our mission to educate, support, and engage our members and public, influence policy, and advocate for prevention, treatment, and recovery services. We are a statewide consumer-oriented association representing thousands of consumers in recovery, family members, healthcare professionals, and A&D providers. We're grateful to the Tennessee Department of Mental Health and Addiction Services for their support and their inclusiveness of our organization in policy matters that directly affect the providers represented in this room tonight. TAADAS is also grateful for all of you who are active members, supporting our mission by being present at our meetings and attending events around the state, promoting and educating our fellow Tennesseans about the available service for those who need treatment with substance use and co-occurring disorders. Our organization has proudly stood the test of trials and tribulations that are not all known to the general public. Yet we are still representing you to the best of our ability, and we'll let you know if we ever change our mind. Thank y'all so much for being here tonight. Everyone be safe.